Hey everybody, this is Eric with Heritage Ford over in Corydon, Indiana. Today we're in Sparta, Kentucky at the 2020 Built Ford Tough event showcasing the 2021 Ford F-150, some of its competitors and more. So let's mask up and get going. Crazy is this entire campus is powered by 2021 F-150s. We had a look at the work table here, the built-in ruler. So you see this work surface, inches, centimeters, just inches. Cool spot to keep your phone. That generator in here, charging this entire, all these tents. Spot to clamp, bottle opener, spot to put your phone, some bolts, so things don't run away, pencil storage. Then you can actually slide that out, still have this. Flip it over, slide it up. This is the PowerBoost So this is the hybrid F-150 coming in 2021. Spacious in the back. Lift that up, there's a power inverter in there. All right.
Make sure you slow down and get to the corner. Go.
Oh, that is power for the first ever hybrid pickup truck. Slaloming right here, and controls very well. You can actually here in Kentucky Motor Speedway. This is really nice. Built Ford Tough Roundup 2021 for the new F-150 with the hybrid engine. Really great. This thing handles so well.
very much.
Thank you, thank you.